Hey guys, Applegate home buyers here. We've shown you some of our other projects before. Here we are at stop number 1 today. We're going to do a little walkthrough, some update footage. Hope you like what you see. Okay, so here we are at our Coconino Project in Chandler, Arizona. I've shown you before when we were framing everything out, how we brought structural engineer in here to be able to bring the house out and to be able to bring the hallway out, and how to be able to take this casita, merge it into the house and to make it contiguous with the house. But now you can see from the outside how we did it to blend it all in, have it literally look like it was always built that way. It grew together that way. So this is what we did on the outside. Of course, we're gonna paint it, make it look more updated, but this is how we merge it all together. Okay, so here we are. We're inside now at Coconino. You can see how we opened it all up. I showed you that before, but now you can see like, hey, this old dining room merged into a game room or bonus room, blends in perfectly. You can see how we make this kitchen just massive, taking out that wall that used to be here that blocked it off, squaring that off over there and making the dining nook really big and functional. Also a massive island that's coming together. You guys will see how we completely redid this fireplace so that now we'll have a beautiful fireplace with like cabinets here, lighting, shelving. And so this will be this beautiful great room. You want to see something cool? How about a hidden pantry? Yes, this used to be part of the office, but in order to create a pantry, we chopped up the office just a little bit, put this room in, and as we back out, you'll see that this actually blends right into the cabinets. And so now this kitchen, which will have a massive 5-foot refrigerator here, right beside it, another panel will open up and go into this pantry, giving you a full functioning pantry in space that used to be an office that was too big anyway. Okay, so here's that office. Check it out. We still have 2 doors, right? Lots of people work from home nowadays. This is plenty big for an office these days. And so, yeah, that's the pantry, but this office is fully functioning. And then stay with me. If you look and see, this is that old dining room. And in this dining room, which like we know used to end here, we make it into this beautiful bonus room, whether there's gonna be a pool table here, whether there's gonna be Xbox and kids and sofas, who knows, but this whole kid wing is now really functioning. And as we go down where we've created this hallway, and this hallway used to be, again, outside in the patio, right? Well, we make it a little bit bigger, so now each of these rooms is actually big and the size it should be for this price of home. And also it made room so that each of these rooms could now have their own ensuite. And at this price point of house, people want ensuites. This is the casita, and the casita entrance used to only be here, right? But now, by bringing that hallway in and expanding the house, we can access it from the home. And realistically, the square footage that appraisers and realtors use when it's a detached unit, they may actually count it for dollars, but it sells very differently. And so a house that has 4 bedrooms, each bedroom having an ensuite, is completely different than a house that has 3 bedrooms, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and an exterior casita. And so realistically, this room becomes part of the house, lives as part of the house, and that's why we captured it. If you remember, this bedroom used to end here, but by the time we grew that hallway, we were able to grow the room, and this is what we're able to do. This here, you see this drywall patch? That used to be the Jack and Jill bath. But by the time we made it bigger, we could now put a bathroom on each side, so again, each room became an ensuite. When we come back next time, you'll get to see these bathrooms in their full glory. So here we are in the master bathroom. See how massive we made this shower? This will all be glass, be 2 shower heads. It's gonna be gorgeous. Then there'll be a freestanding tub over here with really cool, like Victorian, Georgian era looking faucet coming into it. This is gonna be just glamorous.
Be sure to check out our other social medias.